Hey, here's Matt again coming with another video about Python programming and how easy it is to learn it. This is the second video of this series, and we're going to be starting on our next project. Okay, here's Tip Calculator. Completed the lesson on Python syntax, time to practice newfound skills. Will create a simple calculator that determines the price of a meal after tax and tip. If you get stuck during this project, check out the project walkthrough video, which can be found at the bottom of the page after the final step of the project. Okay, so there's 7 of these. Declare your variables. You just finished eating at a restaurant and received this bill: cost of meal, restaurant tax, tip. You'll apply the tip to the overall cost of the meal, including tax. First, declare a variable called meal, which is over here, and we're going to be calling it meal. And you're going to assign it to 44.5. 0, I guess. Enter. Okay. Okay. Wait. Meal. Okay, and you're not reset. Meal. Wait. Meal equals 44.50 and save. A variable for tax percentage. What the hell? Okay. Oh wait. Okay, so we created that one. Now next one. Let's create a variable for the tax percentage. The tax on your sheet is 6.75%. You'll have to divide 6.75 by 100 in order to get the decimal form of the percentage. Create the variable tax and set it equal to the decimal value of 6.75%. So what we'll do next is tax equals equals 6.75 divided by 100. And this is float because of, remember from last time, decimal values require this in the front of them. So that one's done. You received good service, so you'd like to leave a 15% tip on top of the cost of the meal, including tax. Before we compute the tip amount for your bill, let's set a variable for the tip percentage. We need to get the decimal form of the tip, so we divide 15.0 by 100. So the next value is going to be tip. Tip equals float for this, and then it's going to be 15.0 divided by 100. 100. Okay. Do some calculations. We have the 3 variables we need to perform our calculations, and we know some arithmetic operators that can help us out. We saw in lesson 1 that we can reassign variables. We could say da da, then later change in our minds and say da da. Reassign meal to the value itself plus itself times tax. So meal equals, this is what we were talking about earlier in the first episode when it had the December and stuff like that. So it's meal plus or minus, plus or equal to meal times tax. That's what it's asking for. Now that meal has the cost of the food plus tax, I believe that's what I just did. Yep. Create a variable total that is equal to meal plus. That's okay. This meal equals tip. Meal, wait, equals, wait, total equals meal. Meal. Okay. Print out the value of total. Print out total, print total. Congratulations, you have calculated the value of your bill. Click here for a video walkthrough. Save. Let's see if we did this correct.
Awesome. Let's check off step 4 and on to step 5. Now that meal has the cost of food plus tax, we want to create a variable total plus meal times the tip.
Oh, okay.
And total.
This is wrong.
Save and see our answer on the right.
Wait.
54.6293125. And that is the correct answer. When run.
Okay, let's see. So, one, I didn't do this right, apparently. That's what they meant by that. And then this is meal plus meal times tax. So, the tip was tip. And then apparently that was wrong. And it was meal plus meal times tax. And we didn't do float stuff. Apparently. Don't remember not doing it. So, save. Yeah, that's how she got it. Okay. So that's the tip calculator. We were doing a calculator. Next thing. Let's go to the quiz. Python syntax quiz. Start next lesson. Woohoo. Okay. On line 3. Okay. Another useful data type is string. A string blah blah blah. Name equals dot. Age equals dot. And food equals this. In the above example, we create a variable name equals set and set it to this. We also set age to da and food to cheese. Strings need to be within quotes. Yeah, strings. Create a new variable Brian and assign it the string hello life. So the variable is talking about Brian equals quote single or double, doesn't matter. I think they're going to want double though, so I'm going to put these. And hello, 2 L's please, life. This place is really finicky about correct spelling. Run. Got that? Next. Practice. Excellent. Let's get a little practice in with strings. So this is still, we're still doing Python syntax. Okay. Set the following variables to their respective phrases. Set Caesar to Graham, Praline to John, and Viking to Teresa. Variables below, each on its own line. Okay. So Caesar equals Graham and John. Praline is equal to John, and then Viking. I did it with a capital letter. Woohoo! So let's continue. Teresa. So let's run that one. Got it. Next one. Okay, there are some characters that cause problems. For example, there's a snake in my boot. The code breaks because Python thinks the apostrophe in theirs ends the string. We can use the backslash to fix the problem like this. Okay. So backslash, it's saying that we need to put a backslash right here. So let's put a backslash. If I can find it. There it is. No, wrong one, isn't it? Yeah, it is. There it is. There's a backslash. There's the backslash. So that's just all it wanted to do. More instructions. Remember that. Each character in a string is an assigned number. The number is called an index. Okay, index. Remember that. Check out the diagram in the editor. Okay, Python has 6 characters, numbers 0 to 5 is shown below. Okay, so if you wanted Y, you could just type Python 1. Always start counting from 0. 5th letter equals print 5th letter. So it wants you to ask for this, and then we're doing Python, since it's all capital, Python. And it wants this, right? So then 5th letter is going to be 5. There we go. In the above example, we create the new variable called C and set it to C. The character and index 0 string. Okay. There's the first cat example. We are calling the 0th letter of cat and getting C in return. This is because in Python indicates begin counting at 0. Okay, on the line 13, assign the variable not equal to the 5th letter of the string wrong string. I got ahead of myself. Monty 5. And I'm pretty sure back. There we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. There is no 5th letter in Monty. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Question mark. Assign the variable 5th letter equal to the 5th letter of the string Monty. There is no 5th letter. Index 5. Oh. That's what it means. Okay. It's asking for the 5th letter, not the... That's stupid. Okay. Great work. Now that we know how to store strings, let's see how we can change them using string methods. String methods let you perform specific tasks for strings. Let's focus on 4 string methods. Len, lower, upper, string. Let's start with len, which gets the length number of characters of a string. On line 1, create a variable called parrot. And set it to the string Norwegian blue. Blue. On line 2, type len. Let's get rid of the print. So len parrot after the word print. Oh, so it wants print space len parrot. Okay, the output will be the number of characters in Norwegian blue. Okay. You can use the lower method to get rid of all the capitalizations in your strings. You call lower like so, Ryan.lower, which will return Ryan. Call lower on parrot after print on line 3 in the editor. So, what do we do? Parrot this, and then we do lower. Wait. Ryan.lower run? No. Norwegian blue. Like that? Yeah, okay, that's what they're asking for. Okay, now your strings are 100% lowercase. A similar method exists to make string uppercase. So now we're doing Norwegian blue dot upper, like that, in order to capitalize everything. Let's copy this. It says parrot, so I'm going to try parrot first. That's wrong. So it's not. They're talking about this part of it. So Control V. This is what they're trying to fix. Okay. It's confusing when you say on parrot. It's weird. Okay. Now let's look at string, which is turns non-strings into strings. For example, string 2 would turn 2 into a string. Okay. We learned this last time when we were going in between floats, integers, and strings. Create a variable pi and set it to okay. Pi equals to 3.14. Enter. Wait. On line 4, and then call string pi on line 5 after print. So string pi. Let's see if that's what it's asking for. Yay! We got it right. So let's take a closer look at why you use len string and string object, but dot notation such as string dot upper for the rest. Okay. See, this is talking about what we did earlier. Okay. Methods that use dot notation only work with strings. Okay. Okay. On the other hand, len and string can work on other data types. Okay, so it's basically saying that these work on almost everything, while this, the string in upper and lowercase, only works on strings. On line 3, call the len function with the argument ministry. Len ministry. On line 4, invoke the ministry's upper function. So this ministry. Oh, like, because this. Okay, now I understand why I was having problems earlier. No wonder. Then it's dot upper. Nope. That. There we go. That should work. No. Printed ministry instead of ministry. Oh, I understand. I forgot to say it's this that you're supposed to put in this. No wonder I messed up. No wonder. The ministry of silly walks. Okay. That worked. Now next one. The area where we've been writing our code is called the editor. Okay, this is the editor. This is what we've been doing. The console, the window to the right of the editor, this is what it's doing on it would show on a computer page. Code will be shown, results. It's like, here's where you program it, here's where your results are. Print simply displays your code on the console. Okay. Instructions, print monthly Python on the console. That was kind of obvious. It's just they're giving names to it now. This is tiring. Monty. I almost messed up there. People would notice it already. Great. Now that we've printed strings, let's print variables. Okay. Declare a variable called the machine goes, the underscore machine goes. Remember, commands have to have underscores instead of spaces. It's always underscores in strings. They can have spaces, but underscores they need. The spaces in the commands need underscores. And assign the string value of ping. Like that. On line 5, yep. Go ahead and print the machine goes in line 6. Okay. So print. I don't know what I did there. What is the red dot? Okay, I don't really care. Print the underscore machine underscore goes. Did it! Okay. 3. Okay. You know about strings and know about arithmetic factors. Now let's combine the two. Print, blah, blah, blah. This will point out the phrase, life of Brian. The plus operator between strings will add them together. Yeah, remember the spaces I was talking about? They put the spaces there so that you can either put it here or you can put it in front of the thing. But it's just to add a space there so it comes out as life of Brian instead of life of Brian without the space in there. Notice that there are spaces inside the quotation marks, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's what they're talking about. Combining strings together like this is called concatenation, I guess. Let's try concatenating. Oh, God. I am going to mess that up so many times. I'm probably saying it wrong already. A few strings together. Let's give it a try. Print the concatenated strings spam and eggs on line 3, just like the example above. Make sure you include the spaces at the end. Yeah, that's what I've been making sure to say each time we start this. Spam, I almost put span plus and space plus, whoops, wrong one. Let's go. Eggs. Is there a period? Nope, there's not. Let's do this. Whoops. Okay. I did it like that. Run. Oh my god. Spam and eggs. No. Why is this wrong? Spam and eggs. Spam and eggs. And it's still calling it wrong. Solution. Print. Oh my god. It needed the print. That's so stupid. Okay. Print. Sometimes you need to combine a string with something that isn't a string. In order to do that, you have to convert the non-string into a string. We did this last time. This is where you put str this. And make sure there's a space there. Okay, run. That's probably what it was asking for. Yeah, it's just the string value we did last time. String formatting with %, part 1. This is what I was having trouble understanding last time because they didn't really explain it. Okay. When you want to print a variable with a string, there is a better method than concatenating strings together. Oh. Okay. Operator. After the string is used to combine a string with variables, the blah 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 operator will replace the blah s in the string with string variable that comes after it. If you like to print a variable that is an integer, you can pad it with zeros using 0 to d. The 0 means pad with zeros. The 2 means to pad 2 characters wide, and d means number is a signed integer. Can be positive or negative. Okay, so we need to remember what to do with integers. All of this is with integers. Day 6. Print this day. This is if it's a remember %0 do d. Oh. This is showing like if you didn't put the 0 to d, what it would look like. It'd be like just a regular 6 instead of a good 0.6 like that. Take a look at the code in the editor. What do you think it'll do? Click run when you think you know. Okay, string. This is the variables to variables print. Let's not go to this 0%s string 1 comma string 2. Go to Camelot comma place. Tis a the comma probably separates it. Like this is the first one, this is the second one. So Camelot goes to here, while place goes to there. Let's see. Tis a silly place. Yep, that's how you do it. So remember, use the placeholders with the variable in parentheses. You need the same number of terms in a string as the number of variables in parentheses. Yeah, okay. That's what it was talking. That's why there's 2 right here. It's because there's 2 here. And night say ni. Yep. Night to say ni. Why? Well, that's a weird comment to make. Now it's your turn. We have blank in the code to show you what you need to change. Inside the string, replace the 3 with does. After the string, put. I don't think it came up. Let me just do this again. Okay, resume. Let's see if it comes up. Yeah, here it is. Okay, here it is. Here's the correct one. inside the string, replace the 3, this with whatever this is. It's all of this, these things right here. So how much is this? That's a lot. Nope. So we're going to be doing, percent, and then S. And then over here, we're going to be doing another percent, and then S. And then we're going to be doing another percent in S. After the string, but before the 3 variables, replace the final blank with a this. So we're not putting an S with that. Hit run. For the 3 variables. Oh, it's talking about this. Okay, never mind. That's probably where I messed up. Okay, come on. What is your name? Okay. Matthew Copes. What is your quest? To learn Python, I guess. What is your favorite color? Blue. No, it's a bluish green, but it messed it up. My favorite color is a bluish green. Okay. Okay. Quest color. Okay. Get help. Please reset. Okay. Please. Please. Please help me. Please don't do this to me. I just want to learn. I just want to learn. Okay, let's redo this really quickly. No, not 5 seconds. And let's do this one again. And then this one is another one of those. Okay, run. What is your name? Matthew. Matthew, what is your quest? To learn Python. What is your favorite color? Bluish green. There we go. It finally, yay, it worked. Yes. Last one. And now for something completely familiar. Great job. You learned a lot in this unit, including 3 ways to include strings. Yeah, that's true. String methods, the len, the upper and lower. I think that's adding to it. The len is adding to it. Printing a string, print foxtrot, advanced printing techniques. It's just variables. Okay, it's just variable. Okay, let's wrap it all up. On line 3, create a variable myString. Line 3. So this is all. Let's redo this. Come on. I know it's hard. I know it's hard on you, computer. I know it's real hard on you. Since I'm already recommending it, what is your reason for your answer? Because I am doing a video on this just to get this over with. Thank you. Write your code below starting on line 3. So this is what it's asking for. Let's wrap it up. MyString underscore string, and set it to any string you like. Okay. So string is going to be like, God, I felt stupid right I went blank right then. Okay, so Python, let's do that. On line 4, use len to print the length of my string. len. Okay, so print Python len. And then on line 5, do the uppercase. Wait. Let me see if it's this. See if it's that. I don't know, you guys. I completely forgot. Print the uppercase version of my string. So this one's going to be print Python dot upper case. So run. Did it! Yeah, that's how you do it. You achieved the achievement. Lesson complete. Strings and console up next. Okay, so that's it of that. And now, later on today, I will do a video about. So that's it of that. Next lesson is going to be about date and time. Next video on this is going to be about date and time. And in this series is going to be about date and time. My bad. Now, later today, I'm going to be doing. Since I really liked this gaming thing. I've tried it out a little bit and a couple of years ago, and I liked it, but it doesn't. I have completely forgotten everything about it, so it's gonna be a learning experience again about it. It's just not as new to me as it would be to others, but I can remember that I really liked it, and it might be a little bit different from Python, but I'm gonna be doing a series on it, and each of these, it's like I explained last time, I'm going to just be going through maybe 3 to 4 of these. I might be going to this silver up here chest, and I'm going to get 5 chests today. And then the next video in that series is going to continue on until like each of these chests, like each of the silvers is going to be maybe a day. And if there's like, because I know there's these pots right here that this is just an extra part. So it's like this one, then this one, then this one, and this might be one, and then this one, this one. Yeah, it goes in order, I think, of with the spots. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.